In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a task in Jira. Deleting a task in Jira might be necessary when a task is obsolete, duplicate, or no longer relevant. Managing tasks efficiently is essential to keeping your project environment clean and organized. Let's get started with this straightforward process. First, you'll need to navigate to the project where the task resides. Open your Jira dashboard and locate the project section on the left hand side of your screen. Select the project you're currently working on. This is your starting point as it gives you access to all the issues related to your project. Once you're in the project view, click on Issues. This section of the interface lists all tasks, bugs and stories associated with your project. It's your main hub for task management, allowing you to filter, browse and select any issue that you need to work on. Now find and open the specific task you wish to delete. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to locate the task by its name or ID. Once you've found the task, simply click on it to open its details. This will give you a comprehensive view of the task, including its description, status, and any related comments or files. In the top right corner of the task details page, you'll see a series of icons. Look for the icon that consists of 3 dots, usually referred to as the More Options menu. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several options that help you manage tasks effectively. In this drop-down menu, you'll see the option to delete. Hover over it and select it. This action prompts a confirmation message to ensure that you really want to remove the task. This is an important step as it prevents accidental deletions that could impact your project or workflow. Finally, confirm your decision to delete by clicking the delete button again. This second click is crucial because it finalizes the deletion process. The task, along with all its related data, will be permanently removed from your project. Before you proceed, it's important to remember that deleting a task is irreversible. Ensure that the task is truly redundant or no longer required. In some cases, rather than deleting, you might consider archiving or marking it as done if you just want to clear it out of your immediate view but still need to preserve it for future reference. And that's it, you've successfully deleted a task in Jira. Keeping your task list organized and clean aids in maintaining a productive work environment. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to check out more of our tutorials if you need further guidance on maximizing your use of Jira.